This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Yuzu is updated and your prod. Keys and title. Keys are present. Without them, mods won't load. Next, locate your game's ID in Yuzu and create a load folder under yuzu/load/game ID. Once done, extract the mod archive directly into ROMs or appropriate update directory. This preserves file structure Yuzu expects. Make sure file names and nested folders match the mod author's layout, so Yuzu can override game files at runtime. You now install the assets. Textures go to romp/texture paths, audio to romp/sound, and scripts to romp/patch or layerEdits locations. For large packs, use a simple batch or a third-party mod manager to move files and preserve timestamps. Then open Yuzu settings and ensure mod/load layered FS is enabled. Set mod priority higher than base game so your files override originals. If multiple mods conflict, rename folders or use merged patches to control which asset. You finish by launching the game and confirming visual or audio changes. Check Yuzu's log for missing file errors which tell you wrong paths. If something fails, make sure the game ID folder matches exactly, watch case sensitivity on file names, and confirm you put files in ROMs versus update. Always backup saves before testing, to revert quickly, disable, or rename the mod folder. One key tip: if the game crashes, look for conflicting mods and disable them one at a time to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.